let us discuss the laws of karma and how it affects our lives. 1. Law of neutrality. In the same way that gravity acts as a neutral and constant force, the laws of karma apply to all beings equally, without exception. There are just the divine beings that the Creator has made visible, and every one of these beings is given equal, profound, and all-encompassing love and care. It is a world without favorites or cursed ones. 2. Law of lessons. We are reborn in order to understand what love is and is not like. As we navigate through dualistic environments, we gain knowledge by encountering both ends of everything. Good versus bad, problem versus solution, until we can transcend into divine love, joy, and consciousness. Until lessons are learned, one walks the holy circle. 3. Law of balance. The objective of learning lessons is to achieve a sense of balance. Your personal journey through reincarnation is driven by imbalances. For instance, you reincarnate into whatever hate you bring into your life in order to have the chance to achieve balance. This is because you can only fully comprehend something when you become it, that is, when you stop judging and holding unjustified expectations. 4. Law of expansion. Because everything in the universe is energy, the universe is constantly expanding from lower to higher vibrational levels. And due to this constant expansion, change and growth are all but certain. The universe expands through a never-ending cycle of change and expansion that is carried out in the hopes of constant betterment. This cycle involves weaving its way through chaos, modification, and balance. 5. Law of love. Love completes the cycle of karma. The ultimate goal of karma is to send your soul, speeding through the cosmos, on a unique rebirth journey, ultimately bringing each and every one of us into a state of divine love, joy, and consciousness. When you have mastered the art of unconditional love, karma ends. Thank you once again for your presence and engagement. May your journey be filled with blessings and profound enlightenment.